Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new to my channel then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. Okay, so today I'm here back again with another skincare mask. Like obviously it's Sunday and Sunday is skincare mask day. Yes, skincare day I mean. Sunday is a skincare day. So we are going to go ahead with another mask. Today's mask is for your hyperpigmentation, like exfoliating mask that is superb for your hyperpigmentation. I have tried it, I've tested it. It did work a lot for my skin as well. Okay, I must agree that I am not that regular with that mask. I'm very lazy when it comes to my skincare, but I'm trying to be consistent with this series as well, so that I can actually apply masks to my face as well along with you guys. So yes, this mask has been very good. I have tried it a lot of times. My mom has tried it. Like my mom used to try it like back home, like in Pakistan. When we were in Pakistan, she used to make it, she used to give it to me to try it on, and yes, it was really good. Back then I didn't have that much hyperpigmentation, to be very honest, but now I do. So yes, this is the time to try it out really. And yeah, I thought that I will come up here and tell you guys about it. It is very easy. All the ingredients will be easily available in your cupboard. I will put the ingredients list over here in front of my beautiful face so that you guys can either screenshot it or write them down. Let's go ahead with this mask.
So for this mask you need 1 tablespoon of rice flour, ground rice flour, which is very good for exfoliation for hyperpigmentation. Then I'm using 1 tablespoon of yogurt, which has lactic acid, which is a very nice exfoliant. Then I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey, which has anti-inflammatory properties and is very soothing and healing. Now I'm going to mix them all, just mix them thoroughly into a paste. This is what the consistency should look like. The consistency depends upon the consistency of your yogurt, of your honey. If they're more on the runny side, then your mixture might become runny, or if they're like more thicker side, then the mixture might become a bit more thick. But this is the consistency that you should be actually looking for. Now we're going to sit it for 5 minutes and then apply.
So after 5 minutes, this is the mask. You can see it's still a bit wet, but it's not like dripping because it has soaked a bit. So yeah, sorry about runny nose today. So let's begin. This mask is cold and it is like so good for your hyperpigmentation. You are going to say thank you to me over and over again, trust me. So let's apply it all over your face. I'm using a brush. You can use your hands as well, not a big deal. Okay, I'm even gonna apply it on my under eyes, not like completely towards my eye, but like somewhat over here, like this. Okay, and do this mask especially if you are going for a wedding or something. Do this before that, like in the morning do that, in the evening you have a function. This is really good to exfoliate, and it will take care of your hyperpigmentation as well. Like it will give you a glowy kind of skin. Also going to apply it to my neck as I did previously as well, because I do have hyperpigmentation on my neck as well. As I told you, my neck is a completely different color than my skin. So you can see like here you can see a mark here, just like all melasma. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this mask on neck as well. I'm done with the application, and if you have any of your mask left like in your pot, then go ahead, if you're taking a bath, go ahead and apply it on the back of your neck, on your feet, on your hands, on your elbows, wherever you feel you need to exfoliate a bit. Apply this mask over there if you have any left. Otherwise, if you have anyone else in the home, give it to them, they can apply it as well. I don't have that much left though. It's a very small amount of the mask, and I can just apply it to my hands and I will be good to go. So now we're going to wait for the mask to dry a bit, or just let it sit on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be back after 20 minutes. You can go for 15 minutes as well, but I will wait for 20 minutes. So I'll be back after 20 minutes.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so I am back after 20 minutes and I'm about to sneeze. So before I sneeze, I'll just go and wash it off. So yeah, just go ahead, rub it really nicely and gently in circular motions on your neck and on your face, and then wash it off. If you're not taking a bath, then just rub it on your neck and then take it off with a wet cloth and it'll be perfectly fine. So I'll be back after washing it off, okay? So I ended up taking a small bath. I didn't wash my hair, but because I had mask on my neck, so I had to wash it off. And can you see how nice does it look? Like the face and the neck. I even did my hands with the leftover mask, and how nicely everything is. Like my face is looking so good. So let's now moisturize it. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of skincare. Can you see all these particles? Wow, the camera is powerful. Okay, so first I'm going to apply this caffeine solution, which is caffeine plus hyaluronic acid from Makeup Revolution. Just one dot under my eyes to hydrate them, I mean. So let's do this. Just nicely rub them with very light pressure. Now I'm going to apply hyaluronic acid on my face, like just 1 or 2 drops. Rub it nicely. Also rub it on your neck as well. And I also do it on my hands. Whatever is left on my hands, I just go ahead and apply it on my hands as well. Okay, now I'm going in with my lotion, the Epiderm lotion. Let's go ahead, apply it. Also apply it on your under eyes. Yes, so I am back, and trust me, I have not applied a makeup like makeup. I've just done a little like concealing of my under eyes and nothing else. I've not even concealed my forehead or the sides of my mouth. Like everything is the same. I just did a little for my scars. It's not, I didn't even apply a lot of product, just on my under eyes or whatever was left. I just took it to my scars and that was it. And still, I mean, can you see how nice my face is looking? Like, oh my god, my skin feels so soft and it's like feeling so good and it's looking good. Like I can see that it looks good. So yes, do try it out. I mean, I am an absolute fan. Do remember that when you are grinding the rice into a powder, make it very fine. It should be very, very fine powder, because if it's like any rice is left, then it is going to be very grainy on your face. And don't rub it too much, because otherwise your skin might get irritated. So just be very careful. If your skin is like very sensitive, then don't rub it at all. Just go ahead and wash it. That's it. Okay, so these were the tips for this mask as well. Anyway, so yeah, this was it guys. I really love this mask. I'm sure you're going to love it as well. Do try it out, and I hope you did try it out with me. If you didn't, then try it out. It definitely works. And yeah, this is it for this video guys. If you want me to try any other masks, any other things, then do let me know in the comment box below. And if you have been watching till now, please subscribe, because it doesn't cost you anything and it will let me know that you guys actually enjoy my content and my content is actually bringing some knowledge to you guys. So yeah, do that please. Anyway, so coming back to this, if you want me to make any other masks for eyes, for skin, then do let me know in the comment box below and I will be happy to oblige. Also, I will see you in the next video now guys. Next Sunday, that's Sunday skincare day. Remember, till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.